Hello, my name is Colin Wood, and I do van life in a schoolie. I'm up here north of Winthrop, Washington, in Okanagan County, and just doing some exploring. There's a lot of dirt roads and trails and campgrounds that are free, and the town of Winthrop itself is also very interesting to explore. It's just kind of a Wild West themed town, and there are just a lot of shops and restaurants and the usual things that cater to tourists. There's only a little bit under 500 people that live in the town itself. Most everyone else lives outside the town, and some rivers that run through both the town and the valley, the Metho Valley. It's a really beautiful location, and there's just a lot of outdoor activities out here. This is where people come to go mountain biking and skiing and all kinds of things. I decided to take my bike out and head down this trail. During the winter, it's a cross-country skiing trail, and during the summer, a mountain biking trail. It goes through lots of horse pastures, and I mean literally through the pasture, and up into the hills. And there are just amazing views from the tops of these hills. It's just an absolutely gorgeous area with stunning scenery basically wherever you look. I really like it out here, and I'll definitely come back again.